Hey folks, your friendly neighborhood chicken lover here, Mr. C.C. Wilson, inviting you and all your friends to a one-time only exclusive party. That's right, it's going to be exclusive. Everybody knows that the cool kids are doing it, so put on your favorite farm suit and come hang out with me, C.C. Wilson, and the Herders. Special guest Joshua Yarbrough Band, Timbo Kelly, the Big Bad Wolf's going to be in the house. Don't forget Christopher Kyle's going to be hanging out with us also. But more importantly, wear your farm outfit and be ready to ranch. Be ready to have a good time. Not a bad time, a great time. So, that's all CC's got to say. Now, a disclaimer for you and your friends, and a costume is not required, but all the cool kids are doing it, like I said. Once again, C.C. Wilson and the Herders, special guest, the Big Bad Wolf, so many other people. So you bring you and your friends to the Tin Dog on Halloween. Is this thing still on? She said, I'll tell you, you get this much, but you get no more. And she said, someday, baby, maybe you can stay all night. All right. Oh, she said, someday, baby, we'll make love to the morning light. And she said, someday,